Football unites nations and food tells their stories. In this World Cup recipe series, we'll cook our way across the globe, one country, one dish, one celebration at a time. In episode 1, we are making South Africa's beloved dombolos in a lamb stew. These fluffy steamed dumplings are the heart of comfort food, bringing warmth to every table. Originating from South Africa's township kitchens, let's make dumplings or dombolos in a lamb stew. Let's start by adding a quarter cup of oil to a pot with 1 onion finely sliced and about 2 to 4 cinnamon sticks with 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Sauté until the onions become a light golden brown color. Once the onions have slightly browned, add in 500 grams of lamb meat, which I've cut into smaller pieces. To the meat, add in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of rough salt. Then add in 2 cups of boiling water to soften the meat. Close the pot and allow it to simmer until the meat softens for about 45 minutes. While the meat is cooking, let's make our dough for the dombolos by adding 1.5 cups of flour to a bowl, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of fine salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix this until all the dry ingredients are well incorporated. Then add in 50 ml of boiling water with 100 ml of cold water, then mix to form a soft dough. Once you achieve this consistency, cover with some plastic wrap and leave to rise for about 45 minutes. Once the meat has softened in the pot, we're going to add in 1 carrot, about 10 green beans, and 250 grams of mushroom. Together with the vegetables, add in 1 teaspoon of red crushed chilies, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 4 tablespoons of full cream yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix all this together and allow to cook for 15 minutes until the vegetables soften. Once the vegetables soften, add in the dough that we made earlier, dividing them into 10 equal-sized balls. Roll them nicely so they don't have any cracks or seams on them. And yes, you will need to place them raw into the pot. Once you've added them all into the pot, close the lid and allow these dumplings or dombolos to steam until they double in size. After about 10 to 15 minutes, these are what they will look like. Pure magic and pure comfort food. The dough has steamed on its own, doubled in size, and has become soft and fluffy. Serve together with the dumplings or dombolos and the lamb stew, and look how amazing and colorful that looks. Now let me show you what the dumplings or dombolos look like. Breaking them open, these dombolos resemble bread, soft and fluffy, to be eaten together with the lamb stew. It's simply irresistible. If you do try this recipe, don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of the World Cup recipes coming up soon. See you in episode 2.